Yes sir, y'all boys. Welcome back to another video, man. We heading out to La Buena Vida. Intro right here. Why is this motherfucker calling me? Where my phone at, actually? That's crazy, bro. Oh, y'all, this cruise right here is finna go crazy. We got a Trackhawk. My boy the Genesis right here. BMW. My boy It's him? Look at the turbo so good, bro.
Is that a kid? That's a kid driving there for you.
Bro, holy hell. Nah, y'all, but like always, we get to La Buena Vida late, so once again, if I missed your car, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna do a specific walk around really, but if I do, oh well, y'all see it. That boy has a big ass tire, bro. Jesus Christ. Sheesh. That's clean, bro. I'm gonna try to get a tiny walk around. I'm just not gonna go everywhere, but yeah, I got some builds over there. Oh boy, I'm done spinning, okay. Pink Hemi, okay. Keeks Princess, y'all go follow her on Instagram though. Yes sir. Shout outs. Man, my car looking good in the sunlight though with the bikes. So, no boost, no boost. Oh, y'all. Look at this high rim though, bro. Sheesh. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. Lady driven Camaro right here, bro. It's a Flybys 350. Huracan, my boy. It's 570 though, bro. This thing is glimmering in the sunlight, bro. This color's nice, honestly. I would just remove the front stripe in the middle, but other than that, it looks good. I like it. 570, the wing in the back. Yeah, my boy Jet coming all the way from freaking Charlotte in the Subaru Trofeo. Sheesh. We got my boy Key right here, the new wrap on this R8. Yeah, there's a lot of shit going on at the street car. Jesus Christ. Oh my lord, bro. Like I said before, he did just get this wrapped. It looks really good in person, honestly. I like it. He left the calipers green too, as y'all can see. It looked pretty good though. We got this fender right here, and oh my god. Oh my lord. Those are the Flame Boys. Anyways, like I was saying, yeah, this Huracan isn't even from here. It's from like Maryland or some shit, but whew, that was nice, bro. Another Huracan right here. Turbo S. I got the GTR right here. It's just behind done. Twin turbo R8. My boy Hector. Little high ram Camaro. Z06. Boy Hassan right here in the M3. And sorry once again, y'all, if I sound sick. I'm low-key sick. Look at this man. Getting ready to whip my ass.
We got Tony Tone.
It's a Tony Tone.
I'm gonna say it twice. Tony Tone.
Yeah, get a C7 or some shit. Okay. X5, my boy from Charlotte. It's my boy Maximo in the cut. Hold up, get a picture of him. I rarely see this dude, bro. Maximo finally back outside right here in this AMG CC3 back series.
I hear monkeys.
It's an odd fit me right here.
What the fuck is that?
Fucking weak. Them G boys though. Got my boy Jalen right here. Okay, big tire. Z01, M3. This boy got me some views back in 2023, bro. Car's got more spool. Shit, bro. It's the best sounding one I heard, actually. I ain't gonna lie. Woo. One of the Welds. The Mickey Thompsons.
Mickey Thompson.
So we got them boys over here though. The Deluxe Society boys. Look good, dude. So, what y'all think? What y'all think?
This nigga. What are you doing? So what?
It's Mr. Redline over here. Always be redlining this car. Z06. Nice, bro. I like that. Nowhere, bro. Just walking across the street normally, bro. There's fucking traffic coming. Where the fuck he come from? Shit, bro. Damn. Bro, what the fuck is bro doing? This isn't a real cop, bro. It's the funny thing. It's him, of course. Bro, want screen time. Maybe they'll still send it down, though. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's not a real cop. Woo! Look at this dude. Huh? Okay, shit. Ooh, yes sir, my boy sounded good. ain't spinning Mustangs. That let off sounds so good, bro. Clearing to sneaking in. Yeah. That cop is late to the function, though.
They smart.
This event is cooked with the cops here, bro. So many runs, bro. So many runs. And my camera's battery's on like 7%. RIP. Look at that boy Kia. Alright, my man. That's what up, my guy?
What's up, man?
I'll catch y'all next time, bro. Salut. What's up, man? How you doing? Good job, boys. Israel, what's up, man? Good job, boys. Alright, y'all, my camera low-key about to die, so I don't know what I'm about to catch.
Killed them, now he